didn't know if he's left something down there for him.
No. Gosh almighty.
It's this guy right here, Raymond Hicks. It was this girl that he was with. I don't know if he's still with her or not.